What's up everybody and welcome back. So, we finally got our both Sonos Era 300s and I'm really excited to try them out. But in today's video, since I'm going to work in like 1.5 hours, I don't really have the time to try out the audio quality on these speakers today. So that's gonna be on tomorrow's video. Today I only have time to unbox these, show you how they look, and do a size comparison to the Sonos 5, which I have right here. So let's go. Beautiful Sonos Era 300s in black. That's the first one. I ordered both of them in black. I opened this upside down, but that doesn't matter. Just gonna put this. So guys, as you can see, two Sonos Era 300s in black. So let's unbox this and see how they look, and then we're gonna do a size comparison to the Sonos 5. So how you open this is just release this tab. I'm gonna put this to the side right now and unlock it, and then we got the same right here. Unlock this, and then you unlock it, and then you got your beautiful packaging by Sonos. As always, the Sonos 300 on the top. So we gotta just pull this tab like this, and then we're gonna go through the buttons as well on the Sonos Era quickly in today's video as well. So let's put this to the side. So this is a speaker. What you got is buttons right here, and that is volume slide. Let me just a quick look of the speaker itself. I don't know if you can see the buttons I'm trying to show here, but you got the regular button, play and pause, and then you got the volume slider right here. I think this is a cool feature on these speakers because I wish the Sonos 5 have the same plus and minus. I'm gonna try to show you guys. There's a plus and there's a minus. So this is how the speaker looks. As you can see, there are speakers here, speakers to the side, and one on top. And this is how it looks in the back. So what you got is a mute button right here, USB-C right here, and the Bluetooth, smaller button for the Bluetooth this time on the Sonos Era 300s. And then we got the power cord that's gonna go through here. Other than that, we just got the Sonos logo in front. Really beautiful speaker. I really love this, the look of them. They are pretty heavy, not that heavy as the 5s, but they look really nice. So this is a size comparison to the Sonos 5, from the Sonos Era 300 and the Sonos 5, the latest Sonos 5, versus the Sonos Era 300. So let's just see from the back as well. Just from the side, as you can see, the Sonos 300 is wider in the back, but the Sonos 5 is way bigger from the front. I wish the 5 had the same slide. This is pretty smart and pretty neat. Instead of these buttons to volume up and down, there is a slide going up and down on this, which is pretty neat. And then you got your speakers above the Sonos Era 300. It looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah guys, that's the unboxing of the Sonos 300 Era 300, which we're gonna unbox the other one tomorrow when I'm gonna try it out, but I'm not gonna do an unboxing video tomorrow for the second one. I just wanted to show you how the speaker looks. I know there's plenty of videos out there, but I don't know if there is any of the unboxing of the Sonos Era like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah guys, I see you tomorrow for a video test, audio test from something special. I think I'm gonna try out the Dune movie on Disney Plus. I want to try out the sandstorm scene from the Dune movie, and I want to hear how that sounds. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the size comparison from the Sonos Era 300 to the Sonos 5, and I see you tomorrow.